What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best electric scooters that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Segway Superscooter GT2 Transformers Megatron is a remarkable limited edition electric scooter that seamlessly merges cutting-edge technology with the iconic world of Transformers. This thrilling collaboration has given birth to a scooter that's not just a mode of transport but a collector's dream. Underneath its striking exterior lies a powerhouse of performance. With dual 3,000-watt motors, it packs a maximum motor power of 6,000 watt and reaches a peak torque of 88 Nm. The result is jaw-dropping acceleration, with 0 to 30 miles per hour achieved in just 3.9 seconds and a top speed of 43.5 miles per hour. Powering this beast is a high-capacity 1,512 watt-hour battery, featuring a heat flux multi-layer cooling system. This innovative system ensures optimal heat management, even during extreme riding conditions. The Segway Dynamic Traction Control System (SDTC) further enhances stability and control, especially when navigating gravel or slippery roads. Riders are kept informed and in control with a transparent PM OLED display, showing essential data such as speed, motor power, battery life, range, drive mode, lighting settings, and SDTC status. The scooter offers a thrilling boost mode for those seeking an adrenaline rush. Safety is a top priority, with double headlights, turn signals, brake lights, and side lights ensuring visibility and road safety. With Transformers-inspired deco and insignias, the Segway Superscooter GT2 Transformers Megatron isn't just a scooter, it's an electrifying ride and a collector's masterpiece, bridging the gap between fiction and reality. The Kaabo Wolf King GTR is an electric scooter built for the adventurous spirit seeking rugged terrain. With its impressive features, it offers an exhilarating riding experience. Packing a punch, the scooter boasts dual 2,000-watt split-hub motors and a cutting-edge 2-in-1 controller, delivering a staggering 160-amp current. It accelerates to speeds exceeding 65 miles per hour with just a throttle press, effortlessly conquering steep inclines up to 50%. Versatility and sturdiness define the Wolf King GTR. Its motorcycle-grade hydraulic adjustable front suspension and rear hydraulic spring damper provide 18 damping stages, ensuring a smooth ride over any terrain. Crafted from durable 6082 aviation aluminum alloy, its double-frame design and robust components promise top-tier performance and longevity. Safety and intelligence are paramount with ESP mode, walk assist mode, standby mode, and anti-theft features. The upgraded controller simplifies wiring and enhances core properties, while the intelligent SoC algorithm guarantees stable, smooth, and quiet motor operation. Plus, its detachable LG 72-volt 35Ah high-capacity battery grants an impressive 180km range per charge. Enhanced visibility with double headlights, turn signals, brake lights, and side lights ensures a safe journey. In sum, the Kaabo Wolf King GTR stands as a powerful and adaptable electric scooter, enabling riders to lead the way and set themselves apart from the crowd. The Hiboy S2 Pro stands out as an eco-conscious, efficient, and budget-friendly electric scooter tailored for daily commuting. At its core, it boasts a robust 500-watt motor that propels riders effortlessly through city streets. The combination of a double braking system and 10-inch honeycomb tires, encased within a sturdy aluminum frame, ensures both safety and stability during rides. Impressively, the Hiboy S2 Pro offers a substantial range of 25 miles on a single charge, accompanied by a top speed of 19 miles per hour, making it an ideal choice for urban travelers. Safety is paramount, with integrated LED headlights, taillights, and side lights, guaranteeing riders remain visible even during nighttime excursions. Built to withstand the rigors of daily use, this scooter boasts a substantial weight limit of 260 pounds and an IP54 resistance rating, providing durability and weatherproofing. Furthermore, it offers the convenience of cruise control and can be controlled through an integrated mobile app. For added comfort, an optional seat attachment is available, transforming the scooter into a comfortable ride for longer journeys. The Hiboy S2 Pro has received widespread acclaim for its build quality, delivering a smooth and waterproof ride that belies its budget-friendly price tag. However, it's important to note that this scooter is engineered exclusively for urban use, making it unsuitable for off-road adventures. In summary, the Hiboy S2 Pro presents a compelling option for eco-conscious commuters, offering a cost-effective, feature-rich, and reliable means of transportation within city limits. The Turboant V8 dual-battery electric scooter stands out as a powerful and efficient urban commuting solution. Equipped with a formidable 450-watt brushless motor and two 36-volt 7.5 Ah batteries, it boasts an impressive maximum range of 50 miles, making it an ideal choice for longer urban journeys. With a top speed of 20 miles per hour and a remarkable weight capacity of 275 pounds, the scooter accommodates a wide range of riders. Designed for convenience, the Turboant V8 features a quick folding mechanism, a 15-degree climb capability, and a rear suspension, ensuring a comfortable and practical ride. Safety is paramount, with integrated LED headlights, taillights, and side lights, enhancing visibility during nighttime adventures. Built to withstand the demands of daily use, the scooter sports a sturdy aluminum frame and carries an IP54 water resistance rating. What sets the Turboant V8 apart is its dual battery system and innovative charging solution, including a charging dock for the stem battery and two charging adapters, enabling both batteries to reach full capacity in just 4 hours. Renowned for its build quality, smooth ride, and exceptional range, the Turboant V8 is a budget-friendly electric scooter that offers a wealth of features. It's important to note that this scooter is not designed for off-road excursions but excels as a heavy-duty, long-commute companion. In summary, the Turboant V8 is an excellent choice for urban commuters seeking a reliable, feature-rich, and efficient electric scooter at an affordable price point. The Inokim Quick4 stands as a premium electric scooter engineered to cater to both daily commuters and recreational riders. At its heart, it boasts a continuous rated rear hub motor with 600 watt of power, coupled with a high-capacity 52-volt 16 Ah Samsung cell battery. This combination propels the scooter to a brisk top speed of 25 miles per hour, making it an efficient mode of transportation. One of its standout features is the larger 10-inch wheels, equipped with air-filled tires. These wheels not only provide a comfortable ride but also enhance stability and control, particularly when navigating uneven or rough terrains. The Inokim Quick4 doesn't skimp on essential amenities either. It boasts a sleek LED display for real-time data, front and rear lights for safety in low-light conditions, a convenient thumb throttle, trip meter, odometer, bell, USB charger, and a safety lock on the folding mechanism. Crafted with a focus on quality and performance, this scooter utilizes CNC technology to produce components from a single piece of aluminum, eliminating the need for welding. It also features advanced technologies like the Inokim Dynamic Traction Control System (SDTC) and a heat flux multi-layer cooling system to ensure both safety and efficient operation. In summary, the Inokim Quick4 is a stylish and pragmatic electric scooter that offers a comfortable and reliable mode of transportation for daily commuters and recreational riders, prioritizing quality and performance over flashy features.